I'm filming this because I've been in Home Depot and I broke 4 of these. Actually, a total of 5, but 4 whenever I went to replace the first one. But 4 of them were broke before even leaving the store. This one's unopened. I told them I wanted another replacement to take with me to be able to film this. I should have got something different to open this. Can you film this black ring in here? I'll blow this one out. So there's a stop in here. Do you see it? In the bottom? It prevents these bits from pushing down. Right now, out of the package, it does stop them.
Oh my.
The bits fall out. And now all of them push straight in. Now it's broke. You can't tell me that that's gonna hold up on a job site. I mean, yeah, you can get the bits out and the thing will keep working. So no plastic came out, and this is still functioning as far as opening and closing goes. Can you film that ring in there again at the bottom?
Down, where's the ring?
Right down in here.
How am I supposed to?
Alright, well, see, it disappeared now. See, the ring is falling down into the bottom.
You can't see.
No broken plastic. It's because it's glued. That ring is glued and not a solid piece, but there is all the bits still. I'm not pushing these down all the way, otherwise they will fall back into the handle. See? So I'm missing 2, but I would highly discourage you from buying any Klein screwdriver with the bit holder in the handle. First drop, I guarantee will break it.